So the next product that I'm gonna show you is my absolute favorite. Hi guys, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. Well, in this video, I will be showing you things that I recently purchased from Nykaa. Well, I keep buying products from Nykaa. I'm a makeup artist, so I really shop lot of makeup, but sometimes I personally go to Sephora and then buy it. Well, like there are certain things that I regularly buy, so those things I just pick up from Nykaa, and it's more convenient. You can just sit at home and shop at your comfort. So what else do you need? So there are these certain things that I absolutely love and I have shopped from Nykaa, so I'm going to talk about those products, and like I'll also mention the price of each and every product. So I have my bill with me, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing in my billing list is this beauty blender, which is from Nykaa. So we all know beauty blender is extremely important to apply makeup. In fact, I made a video in which I have shown the right way to use a beauty blender. Okay, so always take the product, like apply the product on the face and then blend it with a beauty blender. Don't put the product directly on the beauty blender. The beauty blender, it starts absorbing the product, so that causes a little bit of wastage. So if you want to avoid that, do that. That's a little tip. Okay, so this beauty blender costed me 425 rupees and I got 44 rupees discount on it. So basically I got this product for 380 rupees, so which is not a bad deal, and it's a beautiful orange color beauty blender. So this is the size of the beauty blender, so like it's a medium size, which is perfect, I think. Obviously when this is a little smaller right now because it's dry, so once I wet it, it will become a little bigger and fluffy. Now the second thing that I have is this Kiko Milano Eyebrow Designer. Now what is this? I'm going to show you. This is an important product. This is basically a gel mascara for your eyebrows. Now the cost of this product is 680 rupees and I got it for 675 rupees. Not much of a discount, just like 4 rupees, but still. So I am opening all the products right here, guys, in front of you. And so this is how it looks. This is the Eyebrow Designer, as the product says. So basically it comes with this pulley, and it's like there's this transparent mascara, like, or a gel mascara. So this is something which you can use for your eyebrows to keep them in place. Wow, can you see? This looks so much more uplifted. Beautiful. So in fact, somebody who has bushy eyebrows, well girls, this one is for you. You should have something which can keep your eyebrows in place. Now the third one is my absolute favorite. Well, I keep buying this shade. Now this is a lipstick from L'Oreal Paris and the shade number is 121. Okay, so this is the beautiful lipstick shade. I'm gonna swatch it and show you guys. So this is the shade. In fact, I have applied this shade right now on my lips. So guys, this is the shade that I bought. I absolutely love this shade. I use this a lot. I sometimes mix it with other lipstick shades and then apply it. So now price for this product. Well, this one is for 594 rupees and I got it for 590 rupees. So I saved 4 rupees. Guys, I'm saving 4 rupees on every product. So the next product that I'm going to show you is my absolute favorite. It is a beautiful product. So this is the product, guys. It's from Swiss Beauty. Okay, so these are the glitter eyeshadows. Now this is dupe for Stila glitter eyeshadows. I was using Stila glitter eyeshadows all this while, and that is like 4 times the price of this. They are very expensive and they dry so fast. I was so disappointed. And then when I discovered these I wasn't expecting them to be this good because they are very reasonably priced. I thought probably the product won't be that good, but it is amazing. So I bought 2 shades, and let me see if they've mentioned the shade number here. Oh yes, so I've bought champagne, and then I got rose gold. So these are the 2 shades. I think I will apply this and show you guys how it looks. So this is the champagne shade that I am applying. Now the other one is this rose, is called rose gold retro. So I'm applying this on my other eye. Oh my god, I love these 2 shades. They're absolutely beautiful. This is 189 rupees each. Okay, and it is 2.25 ml. Now let's go on to the other products. Now I'm so happy that we finally have Too Faced in India, and Nykaa is selling Too Faced products online, which is absolutely great. So I bought one foundation and then I bought a concealer. The concealer that I bought is light beige. Well, this is a little lighter shade of concealer for me, so I use it for highlighting. And the foundation that I've bought is called Natural Beige. Now this Too Faced Born This Way foundation is for 2,700 rupees, and this is like a 30 ml bottle. Guys, their foundation and concealers are all they give you like a very good coverage. I will do a separate video in which I can review these 2 things for you. So this is the foundation. Okay, now the other thing is this concealer. It is called multi-use sculpting concealer. Okay, this can be used for concealing, for contouring, highlighting, whatever you want. I just bought a lighter shade for highlighting. This shade is called light beige, and it costed me 1,900 rupees. Yes, it is expensive, but trust me, it will go a long way. This is a big bottle. It is 15 ml bottle. You don't get such big concealers. Usually the concealers that you get are all 6 ml or 9 ml. So this is like a 15 ml bottle. So this will really go a long way, and you just need a very small quantity of this. So these are the Too Faced things that I bought from Nykaa. And when I purchased that, so I got this primer free. This primer, I've heard so many good things about this primer, so I am very happy I got this free. So these are the things that I bought from Nykaa, and I thought I should share it with you all in case if you find something interesting. And so that's it for today, guys. I will see you all soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and hit the like button. So thank you so much for watching this. I will see you all very soon. Bye.